Hi, this is healer Priya Vijay. In this video, I am going to show you what are all the different types of hernia and what is the reason and what is the treatment point for it in acupressure as well as the sujok. So before moving on to the video, first let's know what is hernia and what are the different types. Hernia is nothing but prolapse. It can be an uterus prolapse. Prolapse is nothing but that actually the muscle will be protruding outside, so that is the thing. Okay, so there are two main reasons for this. One is overweight and another thing is lifting the heavy items, heavy weighted items. It's not like only if you lift any weight items or if you're overweight you will be getting this hernia issue. Generally the reasons for getting hernia is these are all the things what I have listed. Okay, so there are 11 types of hernia nearly. So out of that there are 6 major types of hernia. That is, let's see what are all those types. So those types are lateral hernia, epigastric hernia, umbilical hernia, inguinal hernia, femoral hernia and incisional hernia. If we take the case of the incisional hernia, this may be caused because of the complex cesarean kind of thing or complex operation done in the abdominal region. And even if a person is has got operated for appendicitis, there is a chance of getting it. It's not like if a person has undergone the appendicitis operation, he will be getting. There is a chance. Okay, so these are all the reasons for the incisional type of hernia. Then why and how it is getting protruded is the muscles, the loosened muscles and the loosened tissues and the intestine will be pushed outside from the body. So that's where this hernia occurs. Okay, now let's see what is the points, what is the treatment points for this in acupressure as well as sujok. So before moving into the video, I would, if you like this video, please like it, comment it and share it. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am posting the new video. Are all the acupressure points to treat the hernia. So the first point is SP6, that is spleen 6. It is located at this position. Okay, at this location it is there. So for this, how you can locate this position is just keep your 4 fingers on the top of your inner ankle bone. So at the end of the 4th finger is the spleen 6 location, SP6. Okay, so the next point is located at the leg, that is liver 4, that is LV4. Okay, just you have to raise your leg like this, just bend it in a smaller angle. You can able to feel and see the bone here. Okay, just near the bone, this is the bone. Just near the bone towards the thumb finger there will be one slight depression. It will be towards the thumb finger. So in the depression just you need to press for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, see this thumb finger is here, right? Just here only. Okay, you need to press it for 1 to 2 minutes. So now let's see the sujok points for treating the hernia. In sujok, the treatment points for hernia is located here. Okay, so the first point is CV1. It is just between the middle finger and the ring finger. I have marked in my hand. This is my left hand. I have marked here. This is CV1. So here you need at these 4 points you need to just keep a single paper at all these 4 points. So this is the first point between the middle and ring finger, CV1, and the second point is located here before this line, just before this line. Okay, this is the another point, that is CV4. Then one more point is also there. It is located just below the line, just here. This is CV6. Totally there are 5 points. And at the center of the palm is the CV8. Here also you have to keep one single paper. Then this point is CV12. So at these 5 locations you have to keep a single paper. The paper can be at your hand for minimum 2 hours to maximum 12 hours. So once you use the paper, please don't reuse it. So these are all the sujok points for treating the hernia. Actually these points are located above and below the belly button. This is the belly button area, navel area. These are all the points which is above the belly button. These are all the points which is below the belly button, and this is the center of the belly button. Okay, thank you.